And this is a remake of an earlier video that had low views, been speeded up and modified. Thank you. What I'm doing right now, I still got a little work that I'm going to be doing on this. I'm going to put some RTV. I don't think I need it, but I'm going to seal some of those areas, potential leak areas, if I didn't get that lower oil pan gasket in there real good. I think I got it in place, but I'm not sure, you know. Anyway, so what I'm doing right now is the next thing I'm going to do will be putting this new rebuilt AC compressor on. And what I'm doing right now, because none of the nomenclature came with it. And what I mean is this manifold, I'm cleaning it up right now. I've already had it off, but I'm cleaning it up. And then I've got to install it on a rebuilt one. Anyway, that's what I'm working on right now. I'm gonna clean this. I still got some cleaning. Wire brushing, and then I'm probably gonna paint this and get it installed on the AC compressor. And after I paint this, then I'm going to go to that over here, and I'm going to put some RTV on the bottom of that, where that oil pan and timing chain cover meet up. And I'm going to put some RTV in there, you know, and hopefully some insurance for keeping it, if there is a leak, maybe it'll keep it from leaking for a while. We'll see. I'm just not 100% confident in the work that I did there. Anyway, that's my Jeep update, and we're out for now. Okay, there's the manifold off the old AC compressor. I just painted it and let that dry, and then I'm going to get up underneath here and put that RTV on where that front of the oil pan and timing chain cover meet up for a little extra insurance on leaking. That's my Jeep out. And that's my Jeep update till Thursday. I believe it's well, I'll check the date later. Anyway, been doing not much, a little bit of painting. My AC compressor, my new rebuilt compressor, I had it about 10 months. I had a lot of marks and stuff on it, so went ahead and touched it up. And that is the manifold off this old compressor, and painted it too. Anyway, they still need to dry. And what I did do is, it looks kind of sloppy, but I put a lot more RTV on the bottom of that timing chain cover where it meets up with the front of the oil pan. I think everything is fine there, but like I said before, I'm hoping if I do have a problem that it might keep it from leaking for a while anyway. Okay, that's about all I'm going to do today. We got company coming over a little bit later. I'm not going to get too dirty. And this weekend I hope to have my compressor on, in place, bolted up. I probably won't put the accumulator and lines and the power steering pump back in place until well, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look at that. I've got a couple other things I got to do. I may take this alternator off, and I think it's putting out the voltage, but it's been on here a long time. I may take it off and have it checked out. I may even give me a rebuilt one and replace that, because much as I spent on this thing, I want everything working pretty good. I keep finding things. I know the motor mounts are going to have to be changed out in the future. The transmission mount's probably going to have to be changed out. I got body work that's got to be done. I got enough to keep my hobby going for a while. Well, the update for now, my Jeep out. And good morning. My Jeep update, January 14th, 2022. And it's Friday morning about 8 o'clock. Get started a little bit earlier. Skipping the walking this morning. Nancy's out walking Little Sugar, our beagle. And what I'm working on right now, my AC compressor. Here's the manifold. And what I'm doing now, or getting ready to, is getting ready to service this rebuilt compressor with oil. Now this particular compressor, the notation paperwork in it that came in the box said this compressor needs to be serviced with 4 ounces of the PAG 46. It was shipped with no oil. That's what it said. Anyway, I've got to see about properly putting the oil in, and I think on this particular model I'm going to have to put it in through the manifold area because I can't find a plug or anything to different units, different manufacturers have different ways of servicing the AC compressor. So anyway, when I get to that, I'll update you with any progress with that. And like I said, just to give you a recap, I plan on putting the AC compressor in, and then before I go any further, I got to evaluate what I'm going to do. I'll probably go ahead and put the accumulator in, and I've got a new discharge hose coming because I want a whole new system as far as the lines. When I get my discharge line, that should give me a complete new system. I shouldn't have to worry about any leaks and any old lines or anything. So I believe and I think this is the discharge line, and I'll find out. But I'm gonna go ahead and replace the lines. That way I don't have to worry about any holes, or because this is an old system, 2004. All right, that's update for now. Any progress, get back with you. My Jeep out.